Hey guys, you might just want to check out my sponsored link down below, Aura. They're going to protect you guys right now with the most recent data breach that just happened. 2.9 billion Americans are affected by this. They didn't just get your social security number, they also ended up getting relatives, most current address, phone numbers, whatever you could think, they got it. So you might just want to check out that sponsor link down below, Aura, and they're going to hook you guys up. They're not just going to sit here and look through the clear web. They're also going to look through the dark web, and they're going to submit to get the information removed. And also, we have a special promotion, guys, with using the link down below. They will hook you guys up. And let's get this video started. Huh? Where did this come from? Ooh. Time to open her up and let's see what's going on with this thing, huh? Huh? Wow, Mia Pixel, huh? Strange device. I'm not used to this. Wow. Let's see here. So they got the same pull tab as Apple, huh? What do? You slide it out, you slide it in. What do you do? Let's see here. Okay. So USB-C to C cable and the Pixel. Wow. What is this foreign device? I don't know what this is. I don't know. Let's see. Weird. Let's turn it on. Whoa. Wow, I can't believe I have this in my hand. It actually feels pretty good. So far the touch feel is good. It feels like an iPhone. It feels like an iPhone, except with the bump going down the whole thing. Let me set my Pixel up. I'll be right back. Wow. All right, this is being recorded on the Pixel 9 Pro XL. You guys let me know how the audio is, how the focus is. Let's see here, this is regular 1x lens. Here's the ultra wide lens. Back to 1x, 2x, 5x. Back to 1. Seems like 1 and 2 are the better ones. So we're walking right now. You guys let me know. Let me know in the comment section down below. Alright guys, so I'm using the device right now and I'm uploading some stuff. So far, this is just, remember, I had this since Friday, but I just decided to crack the box open because I had some time from work right now. But what do I think so far? So far, it feels good. Feels great in the hand. This is how it should have been done. Video is still needs work, but it's better than the other Pixels I've been. I can say that honest with not, beating around the bush. Pictures, of course, on the Pixel have always been great, but it's a fingerprint magnet just like any other phone. But we're gonna test it a little bit, because right now it is kind of warm. I am noticing it is getting a little bit warm, but I am pushing it to the limit, so that should be expected. But other than that, guys, stay tuned for more content on this. We're going to be doing some speed testing and all that with this phone compared to the S24 and the iPhone. All right, have a great one, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Always make sure to hit that like button, and always make sure to check out our sponsor link down below. Or they're hooking it up, guys. All right, peace. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you're always notified when we upload content. Have a great one. Peace.